And we're back to learning Photoshop in a year, day 364. We'll get back to Camera Raw, and here's also a red eye removal. It's easy to use, just activate it and then you can left click drag and create kind of like a selection where then these two pupil size and darken, these two parameters are applied. But it's even easier than that. You can use auto. And you can see it has detected the other eye automatically. There's a drop down for type. So when you have pets, you can also use that. But usually red eye is what you need for humans. Let me confirm and we'll compare it to the original. And you can see it has done a good job. So a very easy to use feature in Camera Raw. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.